Ilang Pinoy na pinalad na maging judge sa pinaka-prestihiyosong pageant sa buong universe. Yan po ang ating Miss Universe pageant. Ang isa sa mga yan, ang ating bisita ngayong umaga na judge sa Miss Universe 1991 sa Las Vegas, Nevada, USA.
Please welcome pop diva Ku Ledesma.
Good morning! It's so nice to be back here.
It's nice.
Thank you for
Miss
coming
Universe.
back.
Bakit naman hindi ako sinabihan? Sana sumalit.
Nakarampa ka din doon.
Naka-outfit ka naman eh. Perfect na perfect. Pero we were just wondering, gaano ba kahirap paging hurado sa Miss Universe?
Hindi naman sa mahirap, pero you just have to follow the rules. They're very strict and they really tell you pwede kang matanggal. Pag hindi
As a
mo...
judge?
Oo, kasi... Siyempre, ayaw nilang machismis na merong daya or anything. It's very prestigious. So, sinasabi sa amin na you cannot talk to any other judge.
Okay.
Hindi ka pwedeng makipag... Well, at that time, I remember, parang ganon na hindi ka pwedeng makipag-dinner with them. Talagang you just be on yourselves, you know, hindi ka pwedeng mag-compare ng mga notes mo, gano'n.
So, on the night itself na lang kayo magkikita-kita doon sa lames, ano lang kayo, and then it's all business.
And then after that, tsaka na kayo mag-dinner, siguro.
Pag may nanalo na.
Meron kasing day na in a ballroom, isa-isa yung, candidates na makikipag-usap sa judges. And then you ask them questions so that you can see yung puso nila, yung sincerity nila, their intelligence, you know, if they're well-informed, kung sincere talaga sila in what they're saying, parang kinikilatis mo yung character ng
Oh, that's great.
And I'm sure, Miss Ku, isa sa mga reasons ka ba't naging judge ka is because nga, you're a very renowned singer, lalo dito sa ating bansa. Ano mga pinagkakaabalan ngayon?
Well, right now, I will be doing a pre-Valentine show. It's a benefit. Sa Bacolod City, Tanao Kamo Tanan, dira sa Bacolod. February 11, that's a Saturday. And then, 13 and 14 sa Teatrino po with dinner. So, I hope you can all make it. I'm going to be with Jack Salud. Sa Bacolod naman is with Christian Bautista. So, I'll see you all. We will all be, bringing back talagang all the romantic, beautiful, well-known songs.
Maraming mai-in-love talaga mga gabing yan.
Yeah, thank you so much, Miss Ku, for being here. Siyempre, hindi pwede matapos ang flower boy namin.
Thank you.
Hindi na pwedeng mawawala ang flower boy.
Ako ba ito?
I will take it from you after.